Greetings, dear ones. I am Chung Fu, and I'm bringing forward for you this 21-step program. This is Series 1 for your personal growth, personal development. And today I am introducing you to Step 12. As we come up through the centers, the chakras, helping you to have a practice with which you can open them, expand your fields, bring in your higher self, experience the presence of your guides, of your helpers, of those relations who are in the worlds of light. This development program helps you to gradually increase your power with a daily practice, helps you to become familiar so that it becomes really just like a simple habit of yours, a good habit to open your centers when it's safe, to close them when you need to protect yourself. And so here we are, using a citrine connected to the solar plexus, and helping you to understand how you always need to open all the centers, and then you can focus on one, expanding that particular one more, getting to know that part of you, and connecting it, of course, with all other centers. It's really important that all your centers are in alignment all the way to the crown, and that you realize what kinds of energies are coming through each of your centers so that you can control them, and so that you can, of course, bring more energy in through them. So today, as we go forward, I am helping you to recognize the best way that you can open your centers, that you can connect one to another and bring all your possible energy in, every part of you that you can possibly connect with, and to expand your power and bring yourself forward into your day in the beauty way, and visualize success in your life, bringing your power forward, and doing all this with joy, with love, and with great confidence and ease. So come along with us and enjoy this 12th step of our program. Blessings and peace.